The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen packs a powerful AMD Ryzen 7 processor into a business laptop that's designed to change your day, not just make it go. I know what you're thinking. What does that even mean? It means having the power to multitask on anything from spreadsheets to video calls without breaking a sweat. Whether you work from home, in an office, or on the go, this ThinkPad is built for professionals who need a reliable machine that can keep up. Let's start with the display. 16 inches of Wuxka goodness with 300 nits brightness and 45% NTSC color gamut. This isn't just any display. It's one that's designed to reduce eye strain during those long work hours, so you can focus on what matters most, getting the job done. And with an 11% larger vertical screen space than traditional 16:9 displays, you'll have more room to spread out your documents, presentations, and media files. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen is perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time working on their laptop. It's like having an extra hand to help you get everything done. Now, let's talk about storage and performance. This ThinkPad comes with 64GB DDR5 RAM, which means you can have multiple applications open at the same time without any slowdowns. It's like having a supercomputer that's always ready to go whenever you need it. And under the hood, you've got an AMD Ryzen 7 processor that delivers exceptional multitasking power for demanding business applications and content creation. With 8 cores and 16 threads, this thing can handle anything you throw at it, from video editing to financial modeling. It's built for professionals who need a machine that can keep up. But what really sets the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen apart is its durability. Compared to other ThinkBooks on the market, this one feels like a tank, and that's exactly what you need if you're going to be using your laptop all day, every day. And then there's the connectivity, Wi-Fi 6 with 2x2 speeds, gigabit Ethernet for reliable wired connections, and a range of USB ports and an HDMI port for easy expansion. It's like having a Swiss Army knife that's designed specifically for professionals who need a lot of options. But what really gets me excited is the bonus 8-in-1 USB-C hub that comes included. This thing is like a lifesaver. It lets you add instant expansion to your laptop, whether you need more ports or just want to charge your phone on the go. And finally, there's the security features, Fingerprint Reader plus TPM 2.0 chip for enterprise-grade protection. With Windows 11 Professional for Business, you've got all the tools you need to stay safe online, from BitLocker encryption to remote desktop and domain join capabilities. So what does it all mean? The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen is a machine that's designed to change your day. It's powerful, durable, and feature-packed. With its AMD Ryzen 7 processor, 64GB DDR5 RAM, and long-lasting battery life, you can work on the go without breaking a sweat. Whether you're a professional, student, or remote worker, this ThinkPad is the perfect companion for anyone who needs a reliable machine that can keep up. Want to see it in action? Head over to the link below to check out the best price and start working smarter, not harder.